Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to the diagnostic presentation for DTC P2101, which stands for Electronic Throttle Control System Malfunction, specifically for the 2022 Honda Civic. This error occurs when there is a significant discrepancy between the actual position of the throttle valve and its target position, leading the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, to detect an abnormality. The throttle body, crucial in controlling air intake to the engine, is located between the air filter and the intake manifold in the engine bay. Its proper functioning is essential for optimal engine performance. The PCM, which is the vehicle's computer, interprets data from various sensors, ensuring that the throttle functions correctly. Any malfunction could lead to reduced engine power, making it imperative to address promptly. Always remember, safety first. Avoid inserting fingers into the throttle body when the vehicle is in the on position, as this can cause serious injury. DTC P2101 indicates an issue with the electronic throttle control system, primarily involving the throttle body. The throttle body plays a key role in regulating airflow into the engine based on the driver's input. It's located in the engine bay, positioned between the air filter and the intake manifold. When the throttle valve position deviates significantly from the PCM's expected target, it triggers this diagnostic trouble code. In such cases, the PCM recognizes the discrepancy and registers the error to signal the issue. Additionally, this malfunction can lead to a reduction in engine power, compromising overall vehicle performance. As a preventive measure, always handle the throttle body with care to avoid injury. Several underlying factors may lead to DTC P2101. A common cause is a throttle body that has become stuck due to clogging, dust, or foreign objects obstructing its movement. This situation can prevent accurate throttle valve position readings. Additionally, improper electrical connections, whether due to corrosion or wear, can disrupt the signal flow between the throttle body and the PCM. Wiring issues, such as open or short circuits in the harness, could also lead to this diagnosis. A malfunctioning PCM might signal errant information and could potentially be at fault if all other components appear normal. Lastly, internal failures within the throttle body itself may be suspected if no external factors can explain the issue. When DTC P2101 is activated, drivers often experience a variety of symptoms that indicate a problem with the throttle control system. The most noticeable of these is reduced engine power, which manifests as sluggish acceleration or an unresponsive throttle. The vehicle may also exhibit warning light illumination on the dashboard, serving as both a notification and a precaution against potential engine damage. Other common symptoms might include a rough engine idle or inconsistent engine behavior. In severe cases, acceleration may be noticeably poor, affecting the vehicle's overall drivability. Understanding these symptoms can help in quickly addressing the malfunction and restoring normal function to the throttle system. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P2101 begins with turning the vehicle to the on mode, which powers up the vehicle's electronics without starting the engine. Following this, the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, must be utilized to conduct the ETCS, Electronic Throttle Control System, test. During this phase, technicians will assess the throttle body's response to ensure it's functioning correctly. It's crucial to monitor for DTC P2101 during this test to confirm whether the initial issue persists. Using a diagnostic scanner is essential in this process, as it allows for real-time data retrieval and analysis, leading to a more efficient troubleshooting approach. By focusing on these initial checks, technicians can quickly narrow down the potential causes of the throttle control malfunction. In the second step, the engine is started to enable real-world evaluations of the throttle system's performance. This requires a test drive under conditions similar to those when the onboard snapshot of the diagnostic trouble code, DTC, was recorded. During this drive, it is vital to monitor various parameters, including engine speed, vehicle speed, and the accelerator pedal position, APP sensor readings. These metrics will help determine whether the throttle control system is accurately responding to the driver's inputs. Gathering this data is instrumental in diagnosing whether the throttle body or its associated components are functioning correctly. It provides insights that could either confirm the existence of the fault or indicate that the issue has been resolved. The third troubleshooting step involves performing thorough cleaning of the throttle body. Accumulated dirt, dust, or foreign objects may significantly obstruct the throttle valve movement, leading to inaccuracies in the readings and triggering DTC P2101. Once cleaned, it's essential to perform confirmation steps to ensure that the cleaning process resolved the issue. This will involve checking whether DTC P2101 reappears upon resetting the system and retesting the throttle operation. If the throttle body cleans up well and functions correctly, the troubleshooting can be closed. However, if the error persists, this indicates a more serious fault within the throttle body assembly itself, possibly necessitating replacement. In this step, the focus shifts to the throttle body connector. To start, it is critical to inspect the 6P connector of the throttle body to ensure it is securely connected and free from corrosion. Testing for continuity will confirm whether electricity can flow correctly through the connector, which is vital for the throttle system function. Inspections must also include checking the internal circuits within the throttle body itself under ignition, IG, mode to ensure they are operating as intended. Normal conditions should reveal specific resistance values, allowing technicians to determine if there are any abnormalities present. If issues are detected, it suggests further investigation into the throttle body might be needed. The focus now turns to MTR1 and MTR2, which are essential components for the throttle body operation. Before starting this step, it is crucial to ensure the throttle body's 6P connector and the PCM, Powertrain Control Module Connector E, 80P, are disconnected to prevent any short circuits during testing. Once disconnected, conduct wire inspections for MTR1 and MTR2. Using a multimeter, measure resistance values. An open circuit would register significantly higher than 1 ohm, indicating a fault in the wiring. If the MTR1 and MTR2 wires show acceptable resistance, focus shifts back to the PCM and its connections to ensure they are intact and fully operational. Any points of failure in this circuit can prevent proper throttle body functioning and trigger DTC P2101. The final step in troubleshooting DTC P2101 involves a comprehensive inspection of the PCM. If all previous inspection steps have indicated normal conditions, it's reasonable to suspect the PCM might be the culprit. This specialized component manages many operations related to engine functionality and can fail, impacting the throttle control system. Inspect the PCM for any signs of damage or corrosion and ensure it has proper connectivity with all associated wiring. If, upon analysis, the PCM shows faults or inconsistencies despite all other components performing well, replacement of the PCM may be necessary. Ensuring all previous results align correctly will provide clarity and confirm whether the PCM is indeed responsible for the DTC P2101 activation. After completing repairs related to DTC P2101, it's essential to verify that all fixes have been successful. Start by confirming that all necessary repairs have been made to the throttle body, wiring, and PCM. Next, clear and reset the diagnostic trouble codes to reset the vehicle's systems. Following this, it's critical to verify that the throttle operates smoothly by testing its functionality under various driving conditions. Conducting a test drive allows for monitoring any stored error codes during real usage. Keeping an eye on the dashboard indicators during this period ensures that DTC P2101 does not reappear, confirming that the issue has been properly addressed. Proper verification is key to ensuring vehicle safety and reliability. Preventive maintenance is crucial for avoiding future issues related to DTC P2101. One of the most effective methods is to incorporate regular throttle body cleaning into the vehicle's maintenance schedule. This will help prevent clogging and ensure smooth operation of the throttle valve. Additionally, it's advisable to inspect all electrical connections periodically for corrosion or loosening, which can lead to failures down the line. Checking wiring integrity routinely can help catch any potential problems before they escalate. Software updates for the PCM may also be necessary to ensure optimum performance. Finally, scheduling regular diagnostic checks will help detect any issues early on, making it easier to maintain the health of the vehicle's throttle control system. In conclusion, DTC P2101 indicates critical issues with the throttle control system, requiring prompt attention. The primary focus should be on the throttle body, as proper cleaning can often resolve many related issues. Regular inspections and preventative measures are vital in avoiding future complications that could impair vehicle performance. Should diagnostics suggest PCM involvement, appropriate actions can be taken to either recalibrate or replace the component as needed. Ensuring safe operation of the vehicle not only enhances overall reliability, but also contributes to drivers' peace of mind, knowing that their Honda Civic remains in optimal working condition. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.